Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how can you fix you are not eligible to use this feature. Try again later on Instagram. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what we need to do, we have to just open setting and make sure that you are properly connected on internet and there is no connected VPN on your device. So first of all guys, what we need to do, we have to just open App Store, tap your search, tap your search bar and type Instagram and make sure that there is no update on Instagram. If there have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then go for other solution. The other solution is simply go back, open your setting, and from here scroll down, tap your journal, tap your iPhone storage, and from here scroll down, tap your Instagram, and offload the app and reinstall app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then other solution is restart your device. So simply open your setting, scroll down, type your journal, scroll down, type your shutdown, and simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then go for other solution. The other solution is open your Instagram, type your profile, tap your three lines, tap here setting and privacy, type here, and from here scroll down, and from here type your help, tap here report a problem, simply tap on report a problem, type here, and from here explain your problem and give a screenshot your problem and send it to Instagram, and hopefully they will fix your problem in 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.